Earth's water. Water everywhere. Water fills oceans, lakes, and ponds. It flows in rivers, streams, and underground. It is even in the air. Some parts it is even in the air. Some parts of Earth have snow and ice, which are frozen water. Water covers most of Earth's surface. Salt water in the oceans makes up much of Earth's water. Earth has much less fresh water when many plants and animals need this fresh water to survive. Some of this fresh water is above ground, while other fresh water is underneath Earth's surface. What are some ways you use Earth's water? Different forms of water. Liquid water is the most common state of Earth's water. It takes the shape of the container it is in. Liquid water is always moving, even if you can't see it move. It flows in rivers and streams, and it crashes as ocean waves. Not all water is liquid. When liquid water gets very cold, it freezes to form ice. Ice is another state of water, solid water. Ice can float on liquid water. People from ice into different shapes. Artists even carve ice to make
sculptures.
Much of Earth's frozen water is at the North and the South poles, Earth's coldest areas. Some of Earth's water is in an invisible state as a gas called water vapor. It's all around us. Oh, changing water. Earth water is always changing from one state to another. When frozen water is heated, it melts and becomes liquid water. When liquid water is cooled, it freezes and becomes ice. Liquid water can become a gas stove. Have you ever seen a puddle of water dry up on a hot day? Energy from the sun changed the liquid to a gas in a process called
Evaporates.
Water evaporates from oceans, rivers, lakes, and puddles all over the world. When water pours in the air, cools down, it changes from a gas to a liquid. This process is called condensation.
Condensation.
Condensation. Clouds are made up of tiny drops of water formed by condensation. The tiny drops stick together, creating larger, heavier drops. Once they're large enough, they fall to the ground as rain or another type of precipitation.
Precipitation.
Precipitation. Water is important. Rain keeps plants alive and allows land to keep growing. People and other animals need water to survive. We also use it for other purposes, such as fighting fires. It is important to care of Earth's water, keeping waste and trash away from water. Keep it from becoming dirty and unusable. Polluted. Polluted water makes people, plants, and animals sick. Would you want to drink and play in
polluted
water?